If you enjoy woodworking or just like watching videos of people making stuff, there's always one cool scene or montage where someone's milling their own lumber. Do not be fooled. Milling your own lumber is not as cool as people are willing to make you believe. Do not believe them. They are liars. In today's world, it's easy to film yourself doing something. Every phone has a camera, and even decent mics are easy to get. Simply record yourself performing a task, any task, take that footage, chop it up, set it to cool music, and you have a cool montage. The internet wants you to think that after a few moments you have dozens of perfectly sized boards at your beck and whim. Do not be fooled. Milling your own lumber is not that sexy. As a matter of fact, it's boring. Generally, when I mill lumber, I have the TV on, I have my noise canceling earbuds in, because the reality is, milling your own lumber looks a lot more like this.